Have you ever wondered how to perform mass prompting inside of ChatGPT? Now, if you're scratching your head asking, what on earth is mass prompting? Don't worry, you're not alone. Mass prompting is a fascinating concept that's been stirring up a storm in the world of AI, and for good reason. It refers to the ability to process multiple prompts or inputs at once. Imagine the convenience and efficiency of being able to command your AI to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. It's like having a team of digital assistants at your disposal, all working tirelessly to provide the information you need, when you need it. For AI enthusiasts, it's a dream come true. It's like discovering a secret magic trick that propels your AI capabilities to new heights. Mass prompting in ChatGPT indeed is a game changer in the world of AI, but how does one actually perform it? Stick around to find out. Performing mass prompting inside of ChatGPT requires a series of steps. Let's break it down. First, the preparation of a list of prompts. Think of it as the questions you'd like to ask the model. These could be anything from queries about weather predictions to philosophical musings. The prompts should be specific, clear, and concise. You can create as many as you want. The goal is to get diverse responses from the model. Next, we move on to the execution of these prompts using ChatGPT's API. It's like having a conversation with the model. You input your prompts and the model responds accordingly. But remember, you're not just chatting with a friend, you're interacting with a sophisticated AI model. So make sure your prompts are formatted correctly for the API to understand. Finally, the collection of responses. This is where you harvest the fruits of your labor. Once the model responds to your prompts, you collect the responses. You can analyze them, study them, or use them in your project. The possibilities are endless. So, to recap, you prepare your prompts, execute them using the ChatGPT's API, and collect the responses. It's a simple yet powerful process. It's like conducting a large-scale interview with an AI, and the insights you can gain are immense. And there you have it. You have successfully performed mass prompting in ChatGPT. But what are the key points to remember? Performing mass prompting is more than just executing a list of prompts. It's an art that requires careful preparation of comprehensive prompts, a clear understanding of how to use the API, and a strategic approach to gathering responses. Remember, the magic lies in the details. The right prompts can unlock a world of possibilities. And don't forget to make the most of the responses you gather. With these key points in mind, you're ready to harness the power of mass prompting in ChatGPT. So go forth, prompt, and let ChatGPT do the rest.